Welcome back, everybody. Today we got some new headlight bulbs in that we want to show you for the Dodge Ram 3500. We bought some new headlight housings and they came with halogen bulbs, so we've had good luck with these AutoOne headlight bulbs. So we got a new set and we're going to show you them. H8, H9, H11, and an H7. Now this is their DD10S series, 26 watt bulb size. And you're going to have a ZES chip, 6,000 Ks to color. Now on this one here, it does not tell you what chip it is. It's not even showing the wattage on this one. They come in these pretty nice little presentation boxes here. Alright, these are the H7 and the H11s. We'll go through some of the owner's manuals here. Shows you how to put them in. Plug and play LED chipset. Basically, simple instructions. You get your QR code for installation video. Flickering lights are dim. They do offer a 24-month warranty. And we'll check those serial numbers real quick and see. They should be different on each one. You have a little card here for support. And this is the H7 manual here. Again, another QR code there for a YouTube video. Specifications. No polarity, and how to install it in a typical housing. All right, let's take a look at these things and see how they look. These are the H7 bulbs. They're pretty nice aluminum housing. I don't see a fan in here. Let's see. Trying to look and see if we've got a fan in there. I don't think we do. I think it's just a chipset in there. Let me double look. But as you can see, we have some serial number on the bottom there. All right, so they're in the same sequence. They came off the same factory line, so they should match well. Connectors look good. Again, everything's aluminum. Does have a plus and minus in the back there, so in case you do have to flip it around. Take a look at these other bulbs here. These are the H11s. These got a fan, and again, serialized on the bottom there. And we'll take a look at this serial number here. Again, a fan, gasket. These are not able to rotate like some of them, but it should fit right in the housing, no problem. We're gonna get these things outside and into the housing and see how they look. It's pretty simple, just like any other headlight. They should just drop right in. That's it, and then we flip it over and we lock it in. And everything fit just perfect. We're gonna get the other bulb in there, and that's just a twist rotation bulb. All right, as you can see there, everything fits in there perfectly. We had no issues installing it. We're gonna get them on the truck now and see how they look. All right, we were actually wrong. This bulb does have a fan in it. You can hear it running. So both sets do have a fan that just has a small fan inside. All right, we got the headlight bulbs installed in this new housing. As you can see, there's a little bit of light up there, not much at all. It's pretty dark out. We're gonna go ahead and turn on the low beams right now. All right, and as you can see, they are pretty bright. We're gonna go ahead and do the high beams. And you can see it lights up a good area. All right, we're gonna go outside and face the truck and then turn them on. All right, we're at the front of the truck. Go ahead. That's the low beams. Do the high beams. Hold them. And as you can see there, it's very bright.